I'd like to share with you a quote from natural historian Sir David Attenborough, who said, "Never before have we had such an awareness of what we're doing to the planet, but never before have we had the power to do something about it."
It is a year and a half since our first meeting, where we decided as a Welsh Youth Parliament to focus on littering and plastic waste as one of our top 3 topics. Since then, we have carried out a survey to gather the views of young people. I am here at the stunning Philly Castle to appreciate the beauty of my local area and share our recommendations of our Reduce, Reuse, Recycle survey with you. Empowerment and education of young people on this matter is key. Our voices must be heard at the highest level possible. We also believe that lessons in littering and plastic waste should be made a regular part of the curriculum.
Here I am in my garden. It's a place I like to come to relax. We want clear messages about what and how to recycle for us as young people and parents. Schools should be incentivised to go single-use plastic free. This could be encouraged working with partners such as Surfers Against Sewage.
We're here in Llanrwst. I love coming here and it's so important to me we keep places like this clean and tidy. We want the government to consider different methods like extended consumer responsibility and banning unnecessary single-use plastics with some essential exceptions. We hope that the government will legislate soon for methods like this.
This is Cyfarthfa Park. It's a favourite place of mine and it's so important that we keep it beautiful. We believe that there needs to be more recycling bins and refill stations available across Wales to ensure and increase recycling capabilities in Wales. In the long term, we hope to see and reduce the amount of litter and plastic waste in our communities to ensure a cleaner Wales.